So now in next step we can create the whole piping system. So first of all, you see the material of pipe. So here we see that the material is copper K is selected. So as you know that copper is very expensive, as copper pipe is expensive as compared to other pipe. So we can change the material in chilled water system. Mainly we used stainless steel schedule 40 pipe. So first of all we can select all pipes. So you can select all instance in entire project. So here you see we can select all pipe in project, and then you can go to this edit option. So in edit option you can select this edit. So here you see this is carbon pipe, so you can select this steel carbon schedule 40 pipe, then select OK, again select OK, and then come here and pipe pigment and select this steel carbon schedule 40 pipe. So after that, here you see the material of pipe is converted. So we have carbon SS schedule 40 pipe. Again we move to our floor plan, and here you write this fine. So this is the pipe in which the water that the chilled water that flow from the coil and is present in this. So now you can draw this pipe. So we draw pipe again and extend this pipe till this point. So now in 3D we check that duct and pipe there is difference between, or they do not overlap with each other. So for that, check in all views. So here we see that they are not overlapped with each other. So here you see this pipe, this is our pipe. Then again move to mechanical one and select this pipe again. So bend this pipe, draw pipe toward this direction. So again select this fan coil unit. So here you see this is the outlet of this fan coil unit. So now also extend this pipe and draw pipe, and then this pipe is connected with this. So now here you see the GPM flow through this pipe is 18 GPM. Similarly GPM flow through this pipe is also 18 GPM. So now the total GPM passes through this pipe is 36. So for 36-inch pipe we check the suitable size. So if we have this is our pipe sizer. So if we use half-inch pipe and having 36 GPM flow through them, then here you see fluid velocity is 5.67 and head friction is 8.98, which is very high. So here we can use 2-inch pipe for 36 GPM. So here you see head loss is decreased. So here we can size this pipe as per 2-inch. So the diameter of pipe is 2-inch here. Similarly again we can draw this pipe. Till this point, and we have another fin coil unit here. So you can select this pipe again, draw pipe and join this pipe with this one. Now here you see the total flow rate through this pipe is also 18 GPM. So now in this pipe the flow rate is 54 GPM. So we again check the size for 54 GPM. So if we have 2-inch pipe and 54 GPM, then we check the losses. So the head loss is 5.512 and fluid velocity is 5.16. So 5.512 is not very high pipe, so we can also use this 2-inch pipe is okay for this size. So if you want to decrease or make our system more efficient, then we use this 2.5-inch pipe. So if we have 2.5-inch, then our fluid velocity is this, head loss is this, so this is also good. So I recommend this size. But if you use diameter of 2-inch, then it is also acceptable, because if we have low size of head loss, then our system is more efficient.